I want to share with you two of my new items from Fendi. So it's going to be small Fendi haul. Hello ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Oxana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. First and most, I want to mention that my giveaway is still going on up to April 21st. So I'm gonna link that video where you're supposed to sign yourself for a giveaway, and it's a $300 PayPal to appreciate my subscribers. So if you're interested to watch that video, please go to this link that I'm gonna link it over here, and it's also going to be at the end of the video as a extra suggested videos at the end. So please visit that video if you're interested in signing for that giveaway. Today's video, as I mentioned from my introduction, it's a Fendi haul. Lately, I'm somewhat obsessed with Fendi, and I'm happy to share with you today two items from Fendi. So, shall we start it? So the first items that I want to share with you, I purchased from Farfetch, and this is my very first purchase from the Farfetch. So far, I'm very happy with the experience. So, but I'm gonna tell you somewhat what I like and what I dislike. First and most, the item arrived very quickly, and that is the packaging. That's how it arrives. The box inside is just gonna say Farfetch, and obviously it was just somewhat packaging inside, like, you know, with some very nice tissue wrap. But what inside is what little bit underwhelming in my very humble opinion. So what's happening over here, they give me just a little dust bag, which is, even if I want to use it, I don't think it's enough, the size of that dust bag. So this is all my information about the purchase. The one nice touch, it was actually the thank you note, which is written in the actual, you know, ink and signed by somebody. But this is not obviously from Farfetch, it's from the stores that I purchased, because, you know, when you are buying from the Farfetch, they're outsourcing their items from all around the globe, and this specific item came from Spain, and the name of the store, I'm assuming it's Hofre, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So that's the name of the stores that actually selling for Fendi, and that's how it came. Just a second, let me put my glasses away. And that's how it came. Obviously, I already look at the item just to make sure that everything is okay. So there is a kind of like a tag over here associated with the Fendi and the store, and that's pretty much it. And the first items that I got, it's Fendi strap. When I opened this, is actually two pieces were detached completely. I already attached them because I posted the picture on my Instagram when I attached this strap to my Fendi Peekaboo X Lite, and I'm actually extremely excited. So as I said, there is a Farfetch tag, there is a Fendi tag, and there is a tag from that specific store where I purchased. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer to the camera and show you this item. So that's how it looks like. It's actually made of canvas and leather. So it says made in Italy. There is also logo of Fendi on these clasps, and the metal itself, it's kind of almost antiquish looking metal. So I'm very happy. So the buttons, that's how they look like. There is still somewhat plastic tags on these buttons, and they're also almost like antiquish looking. So I'm very happy with this leather strap, and it's obviously very versatile, so I can use it for any Fendi bags, for whatever I have right now, or for my future purchases, because if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I already purchased another Fendi bag. So that's the strap. I'm gonna try to hook this strap right now on my Fendi Peekaboo, and we will see how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna obviously remove at least this Fendi tag, so it's going to be a little bit less of tags and a little bit less of hassle putting this tag on. So this is my Fendi Peekaboo, and maybe I should even come closer to the camera and show you how I'm hooking. So this is the hooks on Fendi Peekaboo, and that's how it's hooked, and that's how it looks like. I think it's actually a very nice compliment to this bag. And the loveliest part, because as you know that little bit of Fendi Peekaboo, which is actually almost like a peekaboo look of Fendi logos from the inside, it's absolutely perfect complement for this straps. So I'm very happy with this purchase. No regrets whatsoever. I'm gonna also put link in the description box for the Farfetch. I believe it's still available in Canadian dollars, and it already includes the shipping and the all applicable taxes, like, you know, brokerage fee, etc, etc. It was 740 Canadian dollars, which is brilliant price comparing to some other Fendi straps. So I'm extremely happy with this purchase. So I'm gonna put a link in description box if it's still available on a Farfetch. So this first purchase from the Farfetch. My second purchase from Luisaviaroma, and this is not the bags that I was talking about, it's something else I purchased from Luisaviaroma actually a while ago. I would say about 2 weeks ago, maybe more, and it's sitting in my closet. The great things about Luisaviaroma, when you're purchasing something from the Luisaviaroma, you're accumulating some points, and you can redeem these points as a dollar value for your future purchases. So that's how it came. Obviously there was an extra nice wrapping in the tissue, and you can guess from the packaging that this is actually the shoe. I'm gonna come a little bit closer to the camera, and that's the information about these shoes. And let me show you guys. That's how it, oops, that's how it was packaged. That was actually some information and some tags from the Fendi. It comes with the dust bag, actually 2 dust bags, obviously for each shoe. And that's how it's packaged. And I'm gonna show you the shoes. I'm actually extremely excited for this pair of shoes. I think they are fantastic. So this is the shoes that I got. Let me get a little bit closer to the camera. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Absolutely brilliant shoes, and I'm assuming that they're extremely comfortable. What I like about these shoes, there is a little bit of rubber sole happening. The mesh itself, it's breathable, so it's perfect for the summer month. I love the kitten heel. It's just over 2 inches. I believe it's about 5 or 6 centimeters heels. I believe it's 2.2 inches heel. Very comfortable. All these straps over here, they are elastic, so they're very stretchy, and at the back there is the cushion. It's actual physical cushion, so it's very soft and cushy for walking. I think it's absolutely brilliant shoe. Let me just unpackage the second. So this is the second pair. Obviously the second pair has a tag from Luisaviaroma, and if I'm cutting the tag, it's the shoe is mine. But I'm thinking I'm gonna keep these shoes 100%. I love them, and I don't really have much colorful shoes, or in fact even bags in my collection, because pretty much almost everything in my collection is kind of in a brown or beige or black or gray tones. Everything is muted, and I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. If you watched my wish list, what I want for this year, actually whatever I wanted for this year, it's pretty much like, you know, I going way off my wish list, with the exception of my bracelet and my Chanel earrings. What was on my wish list, I actually got them already, but the shoes are totally off. I actually hoping for the Manolo Blahnik shoes, but I got Fendi, and I have another Fendi shoes that I'm kind of eyeing. Oops. No damage. Thanks God, no damage. So I guess it shows that they're actually strong enough to use and to wear. So I'm most likely gonna do some little bit of modeling shots of these shoes, and I hope that, guys, you're gonna like it. But from way I'm just looking at these shoes right now, they look like extremely comfortable. Just a little bit closer once again to the camera. Beautiful shoes, absolutely gorgeous shoes. So that's the purchases from today, and as you can see, it's my Fendi strap and it's my Fendi shoes. I'm very happy with these purchases for this haul. Please put your comments if you like the choices, or if you don't like the choices, if you would have like choose different color for the shoes, because these shoes, they're coming also in kind of like more nuded brownish tone. But as I said, I'm just trying to somewhat go out my comfort zone. I'm trying to incorporate more colors in my wardrobe. Red for fact, because I always admire when I see somebody with the red bag. I want to get the red bag, but I'm not bold enough. I guess I'm so boring. I wish to be more adventurous when it's coming to my outwear or like my clothing style, because I could be adventurous in life. You know what? I changed 2 countries before I came to Canada, but when it comes to my style of the clothing, it's more muted, it's more classy looking, and I want to get more and more adventurous with my style. I actually think this shoe is going to be absolutely brilliant with my new Michael Kors skirt. Let me grab that skirt, in fact. So what do you think, guys? This is my Michael Kors skirt, and this is Fendi shoes. I think it's actually going to be a very nice compliment. I think so. I think it's very nice compliment. So I guess thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, hit that red button, because I definitely want to see you again on my channel. If you have any suggestions what you want to see furthermore on my channel, because I already post some questions, if you want to see something extra on my channel, because I already started introducing some skincare that I'm doing for my face, some routines for my actual hair, etc. But I definitely want to implement more these types of videos on my channel, like kind of like grooming, like, you know, skincare, hair, etc. I'm already doing some outfits of the day. I think at least it gives me a pleasure, because I definitely like to watch outfits of the days, an idea for the outfits. So if you like this kind of concept, please do so. One thing I want to mention, there is several of my YouTuber friends, they tag me on the tags that going around assumption about me, and I think I'm gonna post also on my Instagram, like if you wanna place some questions for me, your assumptions about me, or even if you wanna place on this video or my any other videos some assumption about me, some questions, assumptions about me, please put those questions. Just only mention in a bracket it's for assumption about me video, and I will gladly do that tag video and answer all your questions. I'm really wondering, what is your assumption about me, guys? What do you think who I am? And what I'm made of deep inside. Alrighty guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And until our next meeting, bye bye.